to the markets. Look at this. Now the Dow is up 86 and the Nasdaq's up 16. We got green on the screen, but nowhere near as much as we had about 10 minutes ago. Let's bring in Jeff Sica. I want to know about the housing market because we've got new data coming out this week on housing, I believe. You think it's going to be bad?
Stuart, not only do I think it's going to be bad, but it's going to put the first-time home buyers yet again staring into the abyss, deferring the dream of home ownership. Because this week we are getting construction starts, we're getting pending homes, we're getting mortgage applications, building permits. We're getting a lot of data this week, and what the data is going to show is, number one, everybody looks at energy prices as being solely to do with transportation. No, energy prices have a lot to do with construction because of the material costs. What we're going to see now, especially in permits and construction, is that construction is grinding to a halt. And what does that mean? There's no more supply. And with interest rates at this high level, with very little supply, it doesn't give much hope to the first-time home buyers, nor does it give hope to any homeowners that would like to sell their house, maybe buy a smaller house or a larger house. The market right now is frozen, and affordability, again, is an elusive dream.
Okay, I think you're in the real estate business, so you know what you're talking about. So I'll change the subject for a second, okay? You've often commented on Nvidia. They report on Wednesday afternoon. How do you see it going?
I mean, Nvidia, the belle of the ball, hail to the king. They have done so many great things, but the one thing that they're entirely dependent on, often in life, the good is the enemy of the great. They are under the curse of high expectations. There is an expectation of a big number, and what we have to take into account is the hyperscalers that have spent up to 40, 50, 60% of their revenue on AI. Those hyperscalers have to pull back just because fundamentally they can't keep this pace. And the problem right now also is the data centers that require energy, that electricity. There is a shortage of energy and electricity. So yes, Nvidia is a great stock. I've been recommending it since it was split adjusted $3 a share on the show, but I'm going to say it is not going to be the barn burner that it's been because things are going to slow down. Good, but not great.
I would take that. Better than housing, bad and getting worse.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. I had to put something positive in my comment.
Yeah, you did. That was pretty good. Well done, young man. Thank you very much. Thanks, mate.